Hi, I'm Rita Zahara. I'm an entrepreneur, a celebrity chef and a cookbook author. And I love to share Malay heritage and culture through food. And today I'm going to share with you my version of the Malay chicken curry. To start the Malay chicken curry, there are 4 ingredients that you need to put in a blender and mix it. So this is the paste that I've already done earlier. What's inside would be the green chili, garlic, as well as ginger and dried red chilies. Dried red chilies, you can either soak it in hot water or you boil it. And you put all those 4 ingredients together in a blender, mix it, and then it comes to a ground paste like this, okay? And then what you do is you heat up a deep saucepan, put some oil. You have to stir fry some onions that you've already sliced earlier. Once the oil starts to sizzle a little bit, and then you will put in the onions. So we have to wait a while. So you put in the onions that I've sliced earlier. About 2 will be enough. I love the smell of onions. It's like one of the things that brings up the flavor of Malay cooking. I only cook or bake to distress. And it's really fun because I love to cook for the family, and within the family, my mom used to be a caterer. My grandma used to have an orphanage, and then she will open the doors of her orphanage for lots of children or anyone from the public to just walk in and have food every Friday. I've just added in the cardamom, the cloves, cinnamon, the spices basically. Once the flavor is really up, then you toss the curry leaves. Wash them first. With the stalks, you put them in. Okay, the fragrance is starting to fill up the room. It will take quite a while to actually prepare this dish because the chicken needs to be cooked, and it will take about 20 minutes or so. So I'll speed up the process a little bit. Once you stir fried it and then it's getting to this kind of texture, you can toss in the curry powder, about 2 tablespoons. Now I can already put in the ground paste that we've had earlier with the green chilies, the red chilies, the garlic, as well as the ginger. I'm going to increase the temperature slightly. Leave it for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then we'll put in the water and put in the chicken, and you probably have to boil it for a while, about 10 minutes after that. This will be the kind of texture we are looking at before you put in next 2 ingredients, which would be the water and the chicken. So now you put in the chicken and leave it to boil for about 10 minutes. So I'm going to cover the pot with the lid and then leave it for a while and come back and check on the curry a bit later. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. I'm just going to check on the chicken, make sure it's really tender and getting cooked. Now I'm going to pop in the potatoes, because the potatoes also will take some time to actually cook. And what I've done here, just for flavor, actually the green chilies have been put into the ground paste, but I'm going to actually toss 2 chilies which I've already slit like that, 1 green and 1 red. It's going to be slightly spicier because I left the seeds inside. So if you don't like it too spicy, just remove the seeds. Okay, now that most of the ingredients are already in, I'm going to let it cook for a little bit longer, for another 10 minutes. I'm going to check on it a bit later. Okay, 10 minutes already. Wow, smells so great. Last few ingredients. This is the coconut milk. It will thicken the actual broth. An alternative, if you don't want to use coconut milk, would be to use just normal milk. Slightly healthier, but it will lose the taste and the essence and the authenticity of the chicken curry. Because what is chicken curry without coconut milk? The last ingredient, if you notice, is just the tomato. We can't put it in too early because it will just get really all soggy too soon. We want the chicken as well as the potato to really cook well. So I'm going to leave it to boil for a while and close the lid again and come back and check on the curry in a while. And now for the final step. It's seasoning time, salt and sugar to taste, and you'll toss the tomatoes at the end. Make sure that you stir once in a while so that it doesn't stick to the pan, but if you use a non-stick pan, it should be alright. We lower the temperature slightly so it doesn't look so furious. A bit of salt. And now a little bit of sugar. So that was salt and sugar to taste. The color of the curry is just nice. It's not too dark or too light. It's starting to smell really good. I'm going to toss the tomato now and then probably taste a little bit and see whether we have enough salt and sugar. Perfect. Now we are ready to plate. Take all the beautiful ingredients out, including the tomato, the potatoes, and the chili. Take a little bit more of the sauce and just scoop it right there. There you go. The finishing touch would be the dried shallots. And there you go, my version of the Malay Indian chicken curry.